What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? Hey, you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I love you guys so much. How you doing? Oh my goodness, I miss you so much. How you guys doing? It's just Skinny Boy Randy. What's going on, you guys? I love you so much. I love you so much. I have not made a video in a few days, you guys. I've been doing a lot of transitioning, getting some good stuff ready for y'all. Okay, I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Oh my god. Hey, you guys. Hey. I'm trying to look straight into your eyes. Because I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. We're beginners and experts to always welcome you guys. I've been gone for a few days. Okay. I love you guys so much. I'm getting ready to come to Ontario, California. I'm really ready to come to California, y'all. We're going to California, and we're going to do some gardening out there with one of our biggest fans, Valerie Kimball. Okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Today is Sunday. I love you so much. I'm in the background are my elephant ears, y'all. Y'all see them elephant ears just showed off. They just showed off this year, y'all. It's my first year growing. I said this year like I grew them before. But yeah, they're huge. They're bigger than me almost. Okay, I just wanted to say hello, you guys. I miss you so much. Know your Skinny Boy Randy ain't going nowhere. Okay. We ain't left yet. We're going to California on Friday. Okay, you guys. So say a safe prayer for us and our prayer in the Lord that we get there safe and sound and back home. Thank you, Lord, for traveling mercies in advance. I love you guys. You're the best. I'm out here in the backyard, and I just wanted to talk to you guys. I miss you. Hey, you guys. Yes. Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Click the subscribe button right here. Yeah. It's over there. Over there. Yeah, we waited. I love you guys. You're the best. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not 2 middle fingers. Okay. Share the video. Leave a comment. Check out my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are always welcome. You know the plane always wants to come through when we're making a video, but it's okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Okay, just giving you a quick update on the Skinny Boy Farms. The cucumbers have gone on by the wayside, y'all. Yeah, let them go. Once they're gone, y'all. And then here are some of our okra plants that we succession planted. Up here's the okra here. We can pull that one on off. We can get this one too. And we got a flower coming on up over there. See, we got us some okra. Yeah, you guys. So yeah, some of my fruit trees, I think some will be green all year, even during the winter. Some will go into dormancy, and some will stay green, and some will go into dormancy. And Lord, look at this okra, you guys. Can you see this? Can you see my hand? Wow, that one grew into a curve. So I just take it and twist it. Take it and twist. Just like that. And we have a curved okra. And look at the okra. Oh, we have a flower in bloom, you guys, while I'm talking to you guys. Look at that. Can you guys see this? Look how beautiful. Isn't that a beautiful bloom right here? Y'all see that? Okras make one of the most beautiful flowers I've ever seen in my life, you guys. Some of the most beautiful flowers. And our bell peppers are still forming. They're still making flowers. What I told you, tap. Look at all these babies. I just picked these yesterday, and now we have so many more babies coming on. You see that? Food is still coming, you guys. Food is still producing. Don't pull everything up at one time, okay? Because we ain't got no money to keep going to the store buying plants, and when they're still producing, get all the food you can get off that plant right now, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, you guys, leave a little bit of flowers in your garden. Attract some more bees and pollinators. Yeah, we got a little caterpillar right here. If I show this to my cousin Terry, she will scream. So we're not going to show it to her. We're just going to let it fall in the ground. Eggplant. See? Our eggplant is doing great. We have a baby over here. Another baby eggplant. I hope you guys can see. Baby eggplant. You guys, I miss you guys so much. I have not made a video in a few days, you guys. I have a lot of things to tell you about why I haven't made a video in a few days, because you're going to be so surprised. I love you. And look at this one. We're going to pick her today. Let me put this okra down and put my hand up here so you can see. You see this, you guys? Look at this okra. Eggplant. Look how big that is. Big and beautiful. And this is a Black Beauty eggplant. Black Beauty. The beans are coming up. You remember I planted the beans? I told you I was going to leave some of the corn stalks up and run beans up. See? They're up already. They're coming up. They're coming up already, you guys. Yeah, get your fall garden together right now. I'm taking my patio containers off the porch. See? They're still producing. These are the okras that I planted in containers. And they're still producing. We have jalapenos still producing. Another okra plant inside of that plant. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do, because it's your garden, okay? Ain't nobody giving you no money to do your garden. Ain't nobody got no money. Ain't nobody got no money. And I'm taking everything off the porch. Some of my strawberries, I want to preserve those through the winter. Everything is on the porch right here, you guys. So yeah, look at this. What I told you. You can grow squash and zucchini late in the season. Look how big and beautiful these are. Hello, butterfly over there. Hello. Yeah, and we have some other things growing. We have our turnips. We have our red lettuces. We have all types of things growing, you guys. Look at that. Remember, we planted these together on camera. Things are coming up, you guys. We don't do pretty garden. We do productive garden, okay? Okay, because we want our food. That's all we want. We want is our food. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much. I dropped my 2 okra, and we're going to pick them up because we ain't got nothing to throw away. And then some of the cucumbers over here. Can you believe cucumbers are still starting to blossom? Look at all these flowers on this cucumber. Yeah, butterfly. Thank you. Thank you. White butterfly. And look, you guys. This plant over here is doing something. It looks like purple flowers. I think it may be my 5 Chinese color pepper. I don't know. But I try to save everything I can save. I don't throw anything away just because it looks like it's not making it. Take your time and put it in the ground anyway. I have 28 varieties of things growing out here this year, you guys, for our fall gardening. I just want to let you know your Skinny Boy Randy will be here for you, okay? If you have any questions, go on over to my Facebook group. I forgot to do the preliminaries. Go over to my Facebook channel, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are always welcome, you guys. If I can't answer a question, you best believe if you go over there, they're going to answer that question for you. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I will be in California. Not California, cauliflower, California. Okay, y'all know how we do. We'll twist that word up in a minute. I will not be in cauliflower. I will be in California on this coming Friday. Okay, I love you guys. You are the best. I'm going to Ontario, California. Hello, Valerie Kimball. Shout out to you. You're spending a day with God and Skinny Boy Randy. Okay, you guys, I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys, scroll stuff and eat it. You're the best.